So, some of you had asked for help in how you think through DTOs. So, I want to just go through a couple examples here and how I might think through them. I've already shared these with you, the answers, but I just wanted to talk you through it. So, this uses a split method. So, the split, what that basically does is this will turn a single string into an array of strings. That way we can reference everything by index. So I will be at index 1. I'm sorry, at index 0. It always starts with 0. Celebrates at index 1. Myself with the comma, incidentally, because it's separated by the spaces, is going to be at index 2. Therefore, in this string array, I'm going to go through, and according to this loop, I start with index 1. So again, at index 1, it's going to be the word celebrate, and it's going to be celebrate followed by a space. Let's just make this a different color. It's going to be celebrate followed by a space, and then I go 3 more on. So is that 1, I go 2, 3, 4, and that's going to be the last one. If I move 3 more, I'm out of it. So this is going to come back as celebrate, sing. Number 2. All right, so now I have this. I have multiple things going on, and my first piece of advice: you need to work from the inside out. So I need to see what this resolves to. But honestly, it's usually not that important, the exact number, as long as I'm aware of the position, because I'm taking a substring. So my last index of sum, okay, I'm looking for the last time SUM occurs. And it occurs twice because it says assume twice here. So it's not that one, that's the first. My last one is here. So when I'm talking about my last index, not the E, obviously, the last index of sum, it's going to be this S, whatever index the S that starts the sum right here. So when I go from a substring of 0 to that, it's basically going to be everything before that final word sum. So I could just basically copy and paste. It's everything from and to here, but not including the word SUM. Because remember, once again, the string does not include whatever is at that second parameter. Everything before the sum, but not the sum itself. Okay, let's make that red again, and we'll do one more here. For every atom. So here's a relatively straightforward loop through, but I'm only printing some of the characters. So here I just need to pay attention to which characters I'm printing. So my loop starts at 0. So the first thing I'm going to do is print the char at 0, which in this case is a capital F. So I start with a capital F, and then I add 2. I keep adding 2, which basically means I'm going to print every other character. So at 0, I have F. I skip 1. At 2, I have R. Now remember, a space counts as a character. So I'm going to skip the space, and then I have the E. Then I skip the V, and I have another E. Then I skip the R, and I have Y. Then I'm going to skip the space, and I have the A. Then I skip the T, and I have an O. So I have basically free Yao. So anyway, that's just how I thought about those DTOs. Hopefully that helps to see, how I work my way through it. I might publish some more examples, but this is the type of thing that you are going to see on the quiz. So hopefully it helps. Good luck.